Hi, I'm Anna, and welcome to the Crochetclubstore channel. Today, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful and stretchy pattern that looks just like a 2x2 ribbing knitted with needles. I'm currently working on a beanie for myself, and I chose this pattern for it. The fabric turns out very stretchy and textured, which makes it perfect for projects like hats or cuffs. This pattern is super simple, and even beginners can easily follow along. So, let's get started. Make a slip knot and make 11 chains. Next, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Do not count the loop on the hook first second. Yarn over and insert the hook into the chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet stitch. I'll show you one more half double crochet stitch slowly. Next, continue working half double crochet stitches into each chain across the row. So, we've finished the first row. Next, chain 1 and turn your work. In the next row, we'll be working into the back loop only. Insert the hook into the second stitch from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 1 loop. For the next stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 1 loop. This stitch is called a slip stitch. Continue working, slip stitches into the back loop only across the row. We've finished the second row. Now chain 1, turn your work, and start the third row. Work it the same way as the previous row using slip stitches into the back loop only. We've finished the third row. Now chain 1, turn your work, and crochet the fourth row the same way, with slip stitches into the back loop only. This is how the pattern looks on the right side. We've completed 1 repeat, which consists of 4 rows. The first row is half double crochets, and the next 3 rows are slip stitches. Let's move on to the next row. Chain 1 and turn your work. Work this row with half double crochets into the back loop only. This is how the pattern becomes more defined. Let's take a look at it on the main fabric. Next, we need to crochet 3 rows of slip stitches into the back loop only. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a like and save it for your future crochet projects. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming video where I'll show you how to use this stitch to make a beanie. See you soon. Bye bye.